You're looking here from the Tarpon Lodge out on Pine Island, and you can see that cloud deck kind of lingering with us here this morning. This is actually clouds that are wrapping around an area of low pressure. I just love looking at these tower cams in the morning. This one's sponsored to us by Shutters 239. And on the radar, we're also seeing some of those showers on the backside of that low off the east coast of Florida. This is all that's left of the rain here in southwest Florida. And you can see from West End to Bimini, just off of the Palm Beach County coastline, where those showers are located here this morning. And as that moves out, our rain chances drop even more. We saw a few very light showers through the area yesterday. Now we're dry from Lake Placid all the way down through Naples. Speaking of Naples, we're now an inch behind since January 1st and over 2 inches seasonally going back to November the 1st. And in Fort Myers, the situation a little worse. Since December 1st, we need 3 inches of rain to catch up, and we're over 1.5 inches behind since the beginning of the year. The fire danger index forecast here for southwest Florida today, everyone in moderate. Now the fire danger forecast, or the observed values yesterday, were actually very high for Lee County. So this is something that we're going to have to monitor as our rain chances stay low and our temperatures crank up. We have 90 degrees twice in the 7-day forecast, and we'll get to that in a moment. Beautiful day though out there. We should be down around 58 in the morning, so we are warmer than where we should be, but we're actually cooler thanks to the air behind that cold front that moved through yesterday afternoon. We're about a 5 to 6 degree drop from Naples to Golden Gate, and 2-degree drop for Cape Coral. You see the wind is very light this morning out of the north, 5 to 10, and it will continue to stay right around 10 miles per hour even this afternoon. And we'll see the wind shift a little more northwest as the afternoon progresses. So what we're expecting here today, 81 degrees. That is almost exactly at our average of 80, and near our sunset time, which happened just shy of 6:30, we'll be comfortable in the low 70s. There are our averages, 80 and 58. Records on this date, 89 degrees going back to 1945. 39 in 1941. So here's that low as it moves away. There's a cold front that moved through yesterday afternoon. Now area high pressure builds in, and you can see it's pretty quiet across all of the deep south back towards Texas. As that area high pressure begins to anchor itself once again over Florida, we're going to see our winds, which today are going to be more north-northwest. They're slowly going to start to move out of the east here for tomorrow. And just like last week, this is a warming trend and leads to some very hot weather. And indeed on Thursday, we keep that east to west wind driving right across the state. If you're doing a little boating next couple of days, their seas are 2 to 3 feet, moderate chop on the inland waters. No advisories, water temperature up to 77. However, along the coastline today, there is a rip current statement saying that onshore flow with that northwesterly wind could cause some dangerous swimming conditions. If you're not a strong swimmer, bottom line, just stay out of the water for the next day or so. 81 degrees here today, nice and comfortable. We'll dip down into the 60s, but here comes the heat. Let's get you over to that 7-day forecast, because slowly but surely we get back up in the mid to upper 80s here. Matter of fact, look at the weekend. Sunday and Monday got 90 degrees forecast for the first time this year.